Good morning, children. In today's club activity, we are going to do reading. We are going to learn reading. We have completed the chapter Lalu and Pilu. Now, on page number 38 of your English textbook, there is one small story written. You have to act out that story. It means you can do dramatization, but this is possible only if we are in the class and we can make group and we can create this story into a drama. But you all are at your home, so let us read this first, but you can act it at your home also. Let us read what is there in the story. Mother hen and the chicks. You all know that what is the meaning of chicks. Okay, the babies of hen are called chicks. So you can see there are 4 chicks over here, and the name of the story is Mother Hen and the Chicks. Okay, let us read, children. Come to me, chicks. I want you here. Who is calling? Mother is calling to chicks. There are 4 chicks you can see in the picture. What is mother saying? Come to me, chicks. I want you here. Then what happens? Mother is calling and the chicks are listening. What do you want, mother? It is a question asked by these chicks. Now reply from mother is, look at me. Do what I do, down and up and down. So mother is teaching to chicks that do what I do, up and down and up. Then what happens, children? Mother, I can do what you do. Look at me, down and up and down. See, this chick is doing whatever his mother is teaching and telling to him to follow her. Now you see, children, we are on page number 39 now. Then what happens? See, there are 4 chicks. And look at me, chicks, do what I do, up, down. Oh, now Percy is following his mother. So what happens? He is telling to his brother and sisters, chicks, rest of the chicks, that look at me, chicks, do what I do. It means this chick is mimicking, or you can say acting his mother. Mother, the water. Percy is down in the water. See now, while doing this activity, up and down and up, Percy is falling into the water. So rest of the chicks are running and telling their mother that mother, Percy is down. It means the name of this chick is Percy. Oh, Percy, mother is coming to chick. So children, there is nothing new in this story. The words are very simple. Once again, I am reading this. Please listen it carefully. Mother and the chicks. Come to me, chicks. I want you here. What do you want, mother? Look at me. Do what I do. Down and up and down. Mother, I can do what you do. Look at me. Down and up and down. Turn by turn, these chicks are doing this. Look at me, chicks, what I do, up, down. Oh, mother, the water. Percy is down in the water. Oh, Percy. Act out this story with the class. It means you have to create a drama for this story. So children, read this lesson 2 times today. Okay, thank you. Keep learning. Stay safe. Bye-bye.